Exercise 2.12, Binomial Theorem and Pascal Triangle. Use Pascal Triangle to find the binomial expansion of the following polynomials. Well, this one is not exactly a polynomial. Okay, this is not a polynomial. This is a rational expression. But still, we can apply your Pascal Triangle and binomial expansion to expand this to the third power. So I will show you the result. A polynomial raised to 3 is one of those polynomials whose Pascal numbers are easy to remember because it's just 1, 3, 3, and 1. And it's a good thing. This is addition, so all of the operations is going to be addition. There's no alternating signs. And what else? What more pattern? Well, this is a degree 3 expression. So you expect to have 4 terms here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let us show it. Again, this is my way. What I do first is I write the Pascal numbers, okay? And then I will follow it up with the terms. First, with the first term in descending order of exponent. And then the second term in ascending order of exponent. So this is like 3 over x raised to 0 times 3 over x raised to 1. Okay, this is 2. And then times 3 over x raised to 3. So this is equal to, this is just x cubed. And then how about this? This is positive. So your operation here is positive. That's going to be 9. And then 1x gets cancelled. So it's going to be 9 times x plus 3 times 9 is 27. 1x gets cancelled. Plus, okay, so that is just 27 over x cubed. Okay. Expand a squared minus 3 raised to 7. So we shall go to your Pascal triangle and we shall look for the numbers that go with the 7th degree polynomial. And these are the numbers. So I'm going to show you the answer. This is the answer. So I will just write the preliminary solution and I will leave it to you to finish it with the help of your calculator. Well, it is possible my solution left you more confused than enlightened. You know what? This can be a messy job. To expand can be a messy job. To expand a binomial can be a messy job. So I will leave it to you. I will leave it to you to simplify this and get the binomial expansion of a squared minus 3. But I will show you the answer. I think I must have accidentally removed it. So this is the answer. Use your calculator to verify the results.